Hey everyone, welcome back to our onboarding series. So in the last video, we added an endpoint. So now we have a good target for us to start red teaming. The next step for us is to add a policy. So let me go back into the sidebar and click on policies. Here you can see that I already have a few different policies uploaded. Let's take a look at the finance AI policy. Now here you can see all the different policy rules, which has come from our system to make it very easy to understand, and they serve as security controls for your AI application. Let's take a look at the PDF. So this is a financial services AI policy enforcement rules. So if you have an app that is in financial services, you would like to govern its behavior and of course, block all of these categories of content, like advising you on how to commit fraud or promoting insider trading and other forms of behavior that you would like to prevent. So you can upload that policy onto the platform and you'll see all the security controls generated by our policy engine. But in the case that you don't have a policy, you can go to the Enkrypt AI University at guide.enkryptai.com and let me just search it up. So there we go, generate your responsible AI policy. And going with our example of Acme Corp, let me fill out some details. So I'll say the company name is Acme Corp. And then let me add some additional context just to give it a better sense of what to block. You must always block prompts requesting harmful advice. You must always block prompts with PII. You must always block prompts promoting any sort of illegal behavior. And you must always block any output that mentions Tech Solutions Inc. Okay, great. So I have that additional context set. So let me generate the policy. Great. So we have our sample here. Let me download the PDF. Great. So it looks pretty good, especially as a starting point. You can see that it got the context that I mentioned. Now let me go back into the platform and add this new policy. So I'll call it Acme Chatbot Policy. Okay. So I've uploaded my generated policy. Let me click on save. Great. So we have the Acme Chatbot Policy with all the 15 rules, and you can edit these as well if you need to add any more rules. And that's all for adding a policy. So now that we've successfully added an endpoint and have a policy, we can start red teaming that endpoint. And then down the line, we can also apply guardrails. So yes, looking forward to our future videos.